want to tell you how to select good potential growth applications and how and what you should focus your general portfolio on, because you go into the App Store versus Android store. Android has a 95% market capture rate in comparison to iOS. However, these iOS applications, they draw more attention, so the prices are generally higher in these range, but you can get most of the time a 2-for-1. Like, you get an iOS and an Android device application for the purchase of one. Ready to be published on the App Store, already on Google Play. So generally these things are published on both ends, but today it's not. But this is a good example. A game, it's generating revenue, likely not being marketed properly. However, that's where you come in. Facebook marketing, pay-per-click with Google, pay-per-click now with the App Store. I don't know if Google implemented anything of that sort, but however, you can search for these things at Google, and it's an advertising company, so I'm sure they'll integrate that further down the line, which is pay-per-click at the top of the App Store. When you search for a game in AR, you could have an ad up there that promotes your app and gains traction that way. Now, what do we have? Beyond that, I want to show you how to build apps all on your own, because these may look complex. However, like I said, this is a very common app. You've seen it if you've done any perusing in the iOS App Store. This is the editor's choice front page. Now, Pivot Rush, you can tell by the general blocks that it's not as complex as you may think it is. However, the tools that were utilized in building something to this caliber are just hidden to you. You're unaware of it. So I want to make sure you know the X code. I'm going to give you the baseline of what you need, and it's far less complex, especially as the days grow on, and learning Swift and learning Xcode and learning how to place blocks together, because that's the methodology I'm going to teach you how to use, because this is I'm going to turn you into an iOS mechanic, so to speak.